Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Mac operating system. You can do same process on Linux and Windows operating system. So let's start as a demonstration how to install and how many features are available in this particular Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, open any types of browser like Google Chrome or Safari in your operating system and just type here Microsoft Edge in Mac, Microsoft Edge in Windows, Microsoft Edge in Linux. So simply I click the Microsoft Edge in Mac operating system. I'm putting this link in video description. You just click. So after clicking this link, such kind of web page is displayed here. You simply download, and here two options are come: Mac with Intel chip, means common oldest Mac, and Mac for Apple chip, means new MacBook. My MacBook is old, like 2020, so I just simply click on that particular link, click here, accept and download. Thank you. This browser size only 168 MB. Wait couple of seconds, depend upon your internet speed. After finish the download, you just simply click on that particular download link twice and just follow the instruction like continue here. Total size is a 442 MB space consuming this browser in your operating system or hard disk. Install the software. After enter your password, again wait couple of seconds. So installation is done. Close, delete this downloaded file and wait couple of seconds here. This Edge is automatically after finish the installation, such kind of web page is displayed here. Complete setup. Import the Google Chrome. I'm not importing anything, so just simply confirm, continue without this. So typical Internet Explorer and then Microsoft Edge is a similar kind of web browser. You just look at this here, Google. So such kind of web pages come. You install in this particular Microsoft Edge in your MacBook operating system and you feel like same Windows operating system. So you can install this browser in your operating system and enjoy. Guys, hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming tech videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.